we are about to pull up to Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. We have been waiting a few weeks, but more likely we've been waiting for years. Well,
a year.
Okay, a year.
Feels like it.
So we are
We even
here.
missed a turn. We are so excited. Here we go, Buggy. We are about to pull in.
We missed the
Are
turn.
you ready? Here it is.
Wait to see it.
All right.
John's gonna be like, oh my God. Oh my God. All right, let's go get it.
Where is it? All right, you guys. I'm following the bug up to see her Jeep for the first. You ready to go see your Jeep? All right, let me follow you in there, Buggy. Here goes the bug to see her Jeep for the first time. Where is it?
It's red.
Oh my gosh, there it is. There she is. I'm gonna go look at it. Oh, look at that diff cover. Look at that.
Look at those brakes.
Look at those disc brakes.
Look at that axle.
Oh, look at that, Buggy. How excited are you?
I cannot believe.
All right, let's go look at the front.
Switches.
Oh, there's switches for lockers and compressors.
Is this really her?
And then
Gosh.
look at the front, you guys. High pinion Dana 30 Truss ARV. Oh my gosh, chromoly axles. What do you think, baby?
Should I pop the hood?
Oh, and then also, let's look at
Oh yeah.
your Tom Woods drive shaft.
Yeah.
Look at that, and look at no more transfer case drop down brackets.
Oh.
So you'll have to get back this way and look at your slip yoke eliminator at the back of the transfer case.
Holy crap.
And then remember your spacers you had for your slip yoke or your transfer case drop down?
I need a
Those
light.
are gone. Hey, John, just how you want her. Just right on her knees. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
There's your payment right there.
Oh man.
It looks awesome.
Oh, so how was it? Like, was she nice to you?
Overall, it went well. It was. I normally try and take on like one kind of big project
Right,
at a time.
right.
Yeah.
3 going simultaneously here. So
Oh,
I had my guys running a little bit ragged, but no, it went all right.
It looks awesome.
You're a busy guy.
You got a super excited girl right here,
my
man.
God.
It's been
I'm like shaking. Let's take it for a spin.
So break in. What do we need to think about
Yeah, I
with the
know.
gears?
We have a lot.
So, well, hop in there.
Okay.
Okay, get in there, honey. Go do that.
Got your locker
Here's some,
switches.
Yep.
So they changed the switches, and I don't really like them. You show the back of the Jeep is the rear locker, and the front of the Jeep is the front locker.
Okay. Baby, it looks so freaking awesome.
It does.
Look at it. The gas ABR.
Locking.
Man, it looks so good, hon.
Golly.
Right up the top. Oh, so then I
And the
want to
slip
see if
yoke
we have
eliminator. I mean, that drive shaft is just amazing. And then the onboard air now that we got.
Oh, yeah. There she is. Awesome.
So same deal, compressor switch on.
Okay.
When you're airing your tires up, do it with the engine running.
Okay,
Okay.
yes.
That draws
yes.
a bunch of power.
Yep.
So that's just your base. There's
So
your
you
just
just go-
basic air hose right there. That's so cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Just with the standard air check.
Okay.
You can do a fancy digital inflators
Okay.
if you like. But yeah, it just
Oh man.
close that,
It's beautiful.
and then that clips onto your tire.
That is awesome.
Beautiful.
Freaking
If you go
awesome.
through and air up all tires, just be aware it might be slightly warm.
Get warm.
Hot.
Okay.
Take that off, so
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
grab that as soon as
Okay.
it comes off of there.
That.
Buggy driving her Jeep for the first time since. Go easy. Go easy.
Easy. So this is gonna be like a little race car, right?
Yeah, but you just want to kind of go easy. Okay, take a right.
Take it right.
Yeah, take it